Question we hear about duct cleaning from time to time is one that I believe in preventive maintenance, and cleaning the duct is not really part of that. If you're cleaning the filters on your heating or air conditioning system and keeping them fresh on a regular basis, you will stop the things that collect in the ducts in terms of dirt and dust and those type of things. If you have an environment that tends to be one that might create moles and things, spores and fungus and things like that, then you really need to look into it more from a health standpoint than a clean air standpoint. But changing the furnace filters and maintaining the system will help you go years, if ever, needing a duct